What's going on, guys? Decelation. Got Brian.
What's going on, peeps?
And we got Rhonda in the shop today. You gonna say hi?
Hey, how's it going, everybody?
There you go. But today we are doing something that was necessary because this little buddy right here, we don't have a degas tank on it, so it overheats. We're gonna fix that today. We're gonna add this today. It's Evans Waterless Coolant. It doesn't build pressure and it boils at 375. So I won't have a pressurized coolant system anymore. Sweet. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna get to work. Welcome back, guys. Rhonda, Brian.
Hey! Panning.
So, what did we do, Brian?
We made a mess again, but it's alright. It's kind of expected.
Yeah, they sprayed. Rhonda, did you get sprayed with coolant?
No, I didn't. I was able to avoid it.
Surprisingly, yeah, surprisingly, we put first time I put air on this to try to blow the coolant out quicker. A geyser came up. I'm sure you saw it on film. Maybe I would have slowed down the footage. We'll see. But yeah, geyser came up. Rhonda was sitting there trying to hold the funnel because she's the only one that has hands small enough to fit where we had to get the funnel.
Yeah, there's not a room up there.
You know that's why you're here, right?
Small hands.
Yep. She can fit her hands in places that we can't. But yes, so we got it all drained and I refilled it with the prep fluid. Now we got to run the car and get it up to operating temp. Well, it says to the thermostat opens, which is pretty much operating temp. And then turn it off, drain that, wait about 20 to 30 minutes for that to cool off so we don't burn ourselves, and then drain that fluid. Yeah, that's about it. So we'll catch you guys up and let's fire up the truck. Welcome back, guys. Brian,
What's going on, peeps?
Rhonda. So what do we do, people?
We redecorated the floor with
Coolant?
coolant.
Yeah, look at that. So Brian and I, we used this a long time ago, and typically we didn't read the instructions. But what did you find?
There's extra parts to it.
Yeah, there's a part because we just had the funnel sitting in the holes. We forgot to put the little metal bracket in there. Yeah. Thank you, Rhonda.
Somebody's got to remind us to use all the parts
Yeah, I know, right?
correctly.
So yeah, we had a fun time. So I made 2 realizations. 1, pay attention to the parts. 2, buy more coolant than you think you need. So right now, what we're at right now, we used up all the coolant, minus the coolant on the floor.
It's just a little bit.
Just a little bit, not a lot.
It's dispersed, so it looks like there's more.
But I need to get more coolant. It was still getting a little hot, but it was doing a lot better. It was responding to throttle, which means air bubbles, 1, and 2, there's still, it does cool. But yeah, we're gonna call it a wrap because I have to order more coolant. So continue this next week, maybe, or I'll just tell you guys in the next video that it's fixed. All right. Say goodbye to the people. Are you gonna
See you next week.
There you go. Ryan,
Take it easy, peeps. I think I was in there somewhere.
have a good one. Peace.